Hello, friends. Greetings from my latest mid-century modern listing from here in Denver's beautiful Harvey Park, 2370 South Meade Street, a Cliff May home for car lovers. This home is the RM3212 model, one of the favorites among the Cliff May homes line. It has a 24 by 21 foot great room. A primary suite in its own private wing, with a full ensuite bath, direct access to the outdoors, and space that is unheard of in a 1950s tract home. Plus, it has all the fixins that people love in Cliff May homes. Vaulted ceilings, indirect lighting, ample windows, and a wide open floor plan. What is a Cliff May home without some private outdoor living space? Even though this Cliff May home gives up some of that space to the garage, you still have a private outdoor living space outside of your primary suite and the living room that extends even a little bit in front of the house to this beautiful brick garden wall in front. And unique to this Cliff May home, a huge detached two-car garage with plenty of space to work on your next car project or just to keep your beautiful cars out of the elements.